Imagine a chess board under the brightest lights. Sergey Karjakin faces the world champion, Magnus Carlsen. But can white break Carlsen's wall in the classic Spanish? Today, let's relive every thrill, every missed chance.
The Spanish Game, Variation C77. Both sides maneuver for the perfect plan. Karjakin pushes e4, an idea well known since Steinitz, but still full of venom. Why is this line so trusted by masters worldwide?
Let's hear from Kramnik. The key is patience. Even top GMs sometimes rush, but the Spanish rewards those who wait. Karjakin shows the old master's spirit, space, pressure, and sudden breakthroughs.
Tension explodes, Karjakin attacks, Carlsen's defenses shudder. But then, an incredible twist. Karjakin misses a winning move. Carlsen regroups, the people gasp. What would you do here? Comment below.
Now Carlsen is in survival mode. Each move is a test of nerves. Did you know? In this line, world champions from Botvinnik to Kasparov studied these positions with awe and respect.
What a dramatic duel. Who impressed you more? Karjakin's ambition or Carlsen's resilience? Like, subscribe, and join our chess family. Your move, next legend.